Code coverage. Do you have it? Do you need it? What is it? Well, let's see. You have a 40-year-old home. Your home suffers damage and needs to be restored back to its pre-damage condition. This is why you have paid thousands of dollars for insurance. Your building contractor draws up an estimate, you send it off to your insurance company. They inform you that your building contractor's estimate is based upon today's building codes and you are not covered for that, and they reject the repair estimate. They now provide you with their repair estimate, less depreciation and less deductible. Now you have two problems. You're not getting enough money to do the repairs, and you can't do the repairs unless you meet the new code. So you may have to go to your bank and take $10,000 to $20,000 out of your savings, or you may need to borrow more money, another loan. So code coverage is something you need. Do you have it? Not sure? Give me 15 minutes to review your policy. I could make or save you thousands. Nothing to buy. We do not sell insurance. My name is Bob Gunther. I'm a licensed public adjuster, 201-982-1223, or use this QR code.